Today, I'm going to show you how to create an account in Grammarly step by step so you can get started using the writing assistant in just a few minutes. Whether you want to improve your emails, schoolwork, blog posts, or business writing, this is the fastest way to set up your Grammarly account the right way. If this video helps, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to grammarly.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the Grammarly website and the sign up options available to you. On the main page, look for the button that says sign up, it's free, and click it. This will take you to the account creation page where you can begin the registration process. Now, Grammarly gives you a couple of different ways to sign up. The first option is to create a new account using your email address. If you want to do that, enter your email ID, choose a strong password, and type in your name carefully. Make sure the email address is one you can access, because you may need it later for verification or account recovery. After filling in your details, review everything once more to make sure there are no spelling mistakes. Then click Agree and sign up. If you prefer a faster method, you can also choose Continue with Google. This is a convenient option if you already use a Google account and want to sign in without manually typing all your details. Just click the Google option, follow the on-screen prompts, and allow Grammarly to connect with your account. If you're using an Apple device or you already have an Apple ID, you can also select Continue with Apple. That works in a very similar way, and it lets you complete the sign-up process with just a few quick steps. After you choose your preferred method, simply follow the prompts on the screen. Grammarly will guide you through the remaining setup steps, and once that's done, your account will be created successfully. From there, you can start exploring Grammarly and using its tools to improve your writing. And that's it. You now know how to create an account in Grammarly using either email, Google, or Apple. It's a quick process, and once your account is ready, you can start writing with more confidence right away. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.